Welcome to Daily Wonder.
5 minutes, one tiny mystery, and something new to wonder about.
Guy, I heard something zoomed in front of the sun on Mars. Was it a spaceship?
Not a spaceship, it was a moon. Mars has a small moon named Phobos, and it passed in front of the sun.
Wait, a moon crossed the sun? Is that like an eclipse?
Yes, an eclipse happens when something gets between you and the sun. From Mars, Phobos can slide in front of the sun.
So if I were standing on Mars, I would see the sun get covered?
A little bit covered. Phobos is much smaller than our moon, so it does not cover the sun the same way Earth's moon can.
Is Phobos round like our moon?
Nope, Phobos is not round. In the video, it looks more like a little space rock crossing the bright sun.
A little space rock moon! How little is it?
Phobos is about 11.5 kilometers across. That is much smaller than Earth's moon.
11.5 kilometers sounds big to me.
It is big compared with a house or school, but compared with our moon, it is tiny. The article says Phobos is about 150 times smaller across than our moon.
Whoa! So our moon is like a giant ball, and Phobos is like a tiny pebble buddy?
That is a fun way to imagine it. But here is something surprising. Phobos is much closer to Mars than our moon is to Earth.
Closer? Like it is giving Mars a hug?
Kind of. The article says Phobos is about 50 times closer to Mars than our moon is to Earth.
If it is so close, does it move fast across the sky?
Yes, because Phobos travels close to Mars, its eclipses can be very quick.
How quick are we talking? Like snack time quick?
Even quicker. The video showed Phobos crossing the sun in real time, and it took about 40 seconds.
40 seconds? I could almost hold my breath that long. Almost.
It is fast. On Earth, eclipses can feel slow, but on Mars, this little moon can zip right across the sun.
Who took the video? Was there an astronaut on Mars with a camera?
No astronaut. The video was taken by a robot rover named Perseverance. People also call it Percy.
Percy the rover! So, Percy was standing on Mars, looking up at the sun?
That's right! Percy is exploring a place on Mars called Jezero Crater.
What is Percy looking for there?
Percy is looking for clues about Mars long ago. Scientists want to learn about water that used to be there, and whether tiny living things may have lived there long ago.
Tiny living things? Like little space germs?
Maybe, but we do not know. The article says Percy is looking for evidence of ancient microbial life. That means very tiny life from a very long time ago.
Mars sounds dry now, but maybe it had water before?
Yes, the article calls Mars a now dry world, and Percy is searching for clues to its watery history.
So one robot on Mars saw a tiny moon zoom across the sun while looking for old water clues?
Exactly. A small moon, a quick eclipse, a robot explorer, and a big mystery about Mars's past.
Next time I see our moon, I'm going to think somewhere far away, Mars has its own tiny moon show.
And thanks to Percy, we got to see a little piece of that show from millions of kilometers away.
That was today's Daily Wonder!
Keep wondering, and we'll see you next time.